Hello everyone, welcome to the LookX AI tutorial video series, episode 4. Today, we will explore the most exciting feature, real-time. This feature allows for real-time rendering and offers two primary modes, screen capture and draft. The screen capture mode is further divided into three options, default, SketchUp, and Rhino. The SketchUp and Rhino options are specifically designed for the interfaces of these two software programs. The usage is very simple. Let's take the SketchUp option as an example. Click Select Window and choose your already open SketchUp application. Here I have created a simple massing model. Now, let's return to LookX, define the recognition area, and LookX will complete the rendering in real time. If you wish to control the rendering outcome, you can directly input a prompt or select tags from the dictionary. This will render results containing the elements of those tags. You can also adjust the imagination setting to change the extent to which the model references the base image. The results are pretty good. If you don't have a clear direction, you can also click Random Prompt to generate random keywords, for example, an office building. It is generated very quickly. This allows you to rapidly iterate through various outcomes and spark inspiration. Next, let's try the sketch mode. In here, you can freely unleash your imagination. LookX will render whatever you draw. You can also use prompts to control the image. The canvas features include Upload image, pen, brush, eraser, move view, reset view, and the remove function. Now, let's draw something random. It looks a bit boring. Let's try adding a tree. That looks better. Now, let's go wild and see what happens. Wow, that's incredible. This is real-time, a feature that allows you to freely unleash your creativity. Okay, that's all for this episode. Next time, we will dive into the core feature of LookX, image rendering. See you next time.